Second one is let's read first the outline. And generation, born of the Spirit, born again, the way to be regenerated, the need of regeneration, because we are corrupted, because we have God's life. Regeneration versus the natural concept, receiving the life and nature of God, now and our declaration, living as the sons of God. So, pakita na born of the Spirit. So actually, according to the Bible, to be regenerated is to be born of the Spirit. John 3:6. So John 3:6, John 3:3, truly I say to you, unless one is born again, he cannot see the kingdom